Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you how to crop your video in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. Right, so the very first thing you want to do right here is to import your media file into the timeline right there. Then go ahead and click on here. Now, after you open up and import your media file into the timeline, you can decide to crop some part of the video. And for that, go ahead and make sure you click on this particular icon right here, or press Alt plus C on your keyboard, and this is going to pop up right here. Then you have to adjust the area you want to crop off. Let's say, for instance, I want to crop all my desktop icon off from the screen. Then I want to left with only this empty space right here. So adjust the area you want to retain. So everything from the back of this everything from the back of this checker right here is going to be left out. Then come down below right here, click on apply. Then you have successfully cropped off the video. So if you play the head of the video, you can see we have fully cropped off all the desktop icon that was presented right here in the preview of the video. It's that simple. You can go on and crop your video as much as possible in this way in Filmora video editing software. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.